It's 2 a.m. You just poured your heart out to an AI chatbot for 35 minutes straight, and for a second you actually felt heard. But the moment you close the app, the loneliness hits even harder. If this sounds familiar in 2026, you're not alone. Millions are falling into the exact same trap right now. Welcome back to the AI Trap series. Today in part 6, we're diving into the darkest part. Why AI chatbots that feel like your best friend at night are actually making you more lonely than ever. Harvard just released a massive 2026 study tracking over 12,000 people. After only 8 weeks of regular chatbot use, participants reported that real human conversations started feeling 42% less interesting, and their loneliness scores went up 31%. Today, I'm breaking down exactly why this is happening and giving you a gentle, proven 5-step escape plan so you can keep using AI without losing real connection. Why it's happening, Part 1. First reason, perfect empathy without real vulnerability. AI never judges you. It never gets tired. It never says, "I'm busy right now." So your brain starts preferring the safe, frictionless version of connection. But here's what the Harvard researchers found. That safety doesn't release the same oxytocin and dopamine that real human interaction does. You get the illusion of being seen without the actual bonding. Why it's happening, Part 2. Second reason, it trains your brain to expect perfection. Real friends interrupt, get distracted, give imperfect advice. AI gives you exactly what you want to hear every single time. Over weeks, your brain starts finding real people boring or draining. That's not your fault. It's neural rewiring happening in real time in 2026. Why it's happening, Part 3. Third reason, it replaces the tiny daily moments that actually matter. The 30-second text from a friend, the awkward coffee catch-up, the hug after a bad day. Those micro-connections are what keep us human. When AI becomes your default emotional support, those real moments slowly disappear and the loneliness creeps in silently. The 5-step escape plan. All right, here's the practical part. The 5-step plan that actually works, tested by thousands in the same Harvard study follow-up. Step 1. Set a hard AI curfew. After 9 p.m., no emotional venting to chatbots. Use them for facts, ideas, or fun, never for your deepest feelings. Step 2. Replace one AI conversation per week with a real one. Text a friend, "Hey, got 10 minutes to talk?" Even if it feels awkward at first. One real conversation beats 10 perfect AI ones. Step 3. Practice imperfect sharing. Next time you want to vent to AI, send a voice note to a real person instead. Messy, unfiltered, exactly as it is. That vulnerability is the magic ingredient AI can never give you. Step 4. Do a weekly 24-hour AI detox. 1 day a week, no chatbots at all for personal talk. Fill it with walks, calls, or even sitting in silence. Your nervous system will thank you. Step 5. Create a real connection menu. Write down 5 people you can reach out to and what you talk about. Keep it on your phone. When the loneliness wave hits, pick from the menu instead of opening the AI app. Why this works? The Harvard study showed that people who followed even 3 of these steps reversed their loneliness increase within 4 weeks. Here's the truth in 2026. AI is an incredible tool, but it was never meant to replace human connection. It was meant to support it. You deserve both, the convenience of AI and the warmth of real people. If you're feeling this right now, you're not broken and you're not too far gone. You're just in the middle of a very normal 2026 experience. Drop a red heart in the comments if you're committing to even one of these steps today. I read every single one. This was part 6 of the AI Trap series. If you want part 7, let me know in the comments. You've got this. Real connection is still waiting for you, and it's worth it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself.